welcome back to my channel. It's Elle. I truly do hope everyone is doing well today. I hope everyone is getting ready for this Memorial Day weekend to have some fun and have a day off. And for those of you that do not have a day off on Memorial Day, I wish you a great day as well. I hope you have a prosperous one and a blessed one. So I'm going to jump in to a Ross haul because I recently posted a Ross shop with me on my channel, and I wanted to show you guys what I picked up from Ross really quickly. And when I say quick, this is going to be one quick haul because I want to enjoy the weekend. I want to just start partying. It is Friday. Well, not really partying, adult partying, I should say. But anyway, I'm just going to have some fun this weekend, and I can't wait. So let's just jump into this first piece right here that is going to be going into my backyard. And I like it because it has this shiny stuff on it already, like this protected coating, so it's perfect for the backyard on top of the table. I have some spray protectant on some of the things out there, but during the weather that we've been having, that nonstop rain we've gotten, a lot of my pieces fell and broke, got some wind suddenly, and so I have to replace some of the things. And this is one of the pieces that a little plant is going to be going in, a pineapple plant that I have, and that little sucker is prickly as I don't know what. But this is it here. Yes, indeed. Go a little slower, girl. Yes, I like this. And it was only $5.99, $6 from Ross. And then, then I got this planter here. And this was $8.99 from Ross. And I found all of these pieces. Well, these three pieces that I'm going to show you. I found them in the outdoor section, the small outdoor section that Ross has. You can see it here, and it's going in the backyard. I made some changes to the backyard recently. I can't wait to show it to you guys. So please excuse my lighting right now. It's not the best because this room seems to get a lot of light. So yes, here it is. Here it is, $8.99 from Ross. And voila, my friends. And like I said, a lot of my pieces broke because of all the rain and the wind that we've been having, and in the nighttime where you think you secured everything, and then all of a sudden in the middle of the night you hear boom or crash, bam, boom, whatever, because of the weather. So anyway, this planter here was $5.99. I like that texture on it. This is for the backyard. $5.99. This comes in a larger, smaller, and this is the medium. I think this is actually the smallest. It comes in a $12.99, $9.99, and then this one here, that's $5.99. Yes, indeed. And it's cream. Then I got this basket also to put some plants that I got in the backyard, and this one was $9.99 from Ross. And it's just a little basket. A lot of my baskets got wet and got discombobulated from all of the rain because sometimes, I don't like to bring the stuff into my house after it's been in the backyard because Texas is wildlife country, okay? Because when you bring in the stuff from outside or you put them in the garage, they crawl into your house. You can put them in the garage. It doesn't matter. I mean, I'm talking about centipedes. Oh no, centipedes. Anyway, them long things with all the legs that look like centipedes. I don't know what you call them. Something fish. Anyway, you bring in mosquitoes and bugs and all kinds of stuff. So if you're in the backyard, you stay in there because I'm not bringing that stuff in. But anyway, so I got this for my bathroom, my restroom, I should say. And these are for the water closet, which is also the toilet closet. The closet with the toilet in it. Yes, this is for them. They're going to be going like this. I got two of these for $9.99. And you can see they're a little different. Can you take a good look at it? It's a little different, yes indeed. $9.99. They're going into my water closet in my restroom. And I'm decorating there too. I'm not doing anything too fancy. But yes, and then I got this little tray here for the men's stuff in my bathroom, like for the cologne and stuff. And it's wood, and it wasn't my first choice. I may not keep this, guys. I don't know, not sure. But look at I like the, of course, you know me, I like that texture thing in there. The little print there. You can see it here, and it has this glass. I thought that was good for the restroom because you can wipe it down. But this wood thing, not a good idea to put wood in your bathroom. But this was $11.99. Not sure if I'm going to keep it. I might find something better or more suitable to handle the moisture that is in your restroom. So that's that. Yes, indeed. Okay, so then I got this, was $5.99 from Ross, and it's a planter, and I'm sure that this comes in other sizes, but they only had this one because you know Ross, they get what they get, and when you see it, you better get it. So yes, it has the gold in there, and you probably see some little fuzz stuff, that the greenery that I had that I took out, but I do love this. I think it gives a lot of glam and a lot of luxury look. I really like it, the simplicity of the legs and everything. So you could do this with a bunch of different styles of decor, modern, uh, whatever you want to do. Not traditional, there's another word, contemporary. Yes, modern and contemporary pieces. Then I have this candle that I picked up from Ross, and this was $7.99. It's shea and oatmeal, and it smells divine. It's sweet, but then it has a woodsy type of smell. So it's shea and oatmeal. It really smells good, guys. So I got 2 of these for $7.99. It has that little wood cover. I think it's so cool. You can just do this. What do you guys think? Then, lastly, I got this here. This was, am I holding it right? $34.99 from Ross. It's velvet inside of here. It's velvet, and then it has the little flower overlays. Really nice piece. Intricate detail. I really do love this. Indeed. Yes, indeed. And it was $34.99 from Ross. And then I got these 2 pieces. My allergies are bothering me, guys. I got these 2 pieces from Ross, and I bought these not for the smooth side. I actually bought it for the rugged side, which I'm going to show you in a second. And see that here, $11.99 a piece. But I fell in love with the back of this. If you can see it really closely, see how beautiful that is? Yes, I am loving these. Loving them. See how pretty? Yes. So, that is it, guys. That is all I got. I just wanted to share it with you quickly, and also to wish you guys a very, 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 very happy and safe Memorial Day. I hope everyone has a great weekend, and I will see you soon.